Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Intercom inbox routing with HubSpot CRM detailed guide step. To activate Intercom inbox routing with HubSpot CRM, start by logging into your Intercom account. Navigate to the Intercom dashboard. Click on the settings icon located in the bottom left corner. In the settings menu, select Inbox. Once in the inbox settings, find the routing section. Click on the routing option to expand the settings. Next, choose Add a new routing rule. You will see different conditions for routing that you can customize. Select the criteria for routing based on your preferences, such as user attributes or message types. Once you have set your criteria, proceed to the Actions section. Under Actions, choose the specific team or individual you want to route messages to. You can also select the priority level for each routing rule. After configuring the routing rules, click on Save Changes to apply them. Next, switch to your HubSpot account. In HubSpot, navigate to Integrations in the main menu. Search for the Intercom integration and click on it. Make sure the integration is connected and configured properly. If not, follow the prompts to establish a secure connection. After confirming the integration, return to Intercom. Revisit the inbox settings and find the Connected Apps section. Ensure that HubSpot is listed among your connected apps. Now, go back to your routing rules in Intercom. Review the rules you created to ensure they align with your HubSpot objectives. Test the routing process by sending a message that meets your specified criteria. Monitor how messages are routed to confirm everything functions as intended. If any issues arise, revisit your criteria and settings to troubleshoot. Once verified, you have successfully activated Intercom inbox routing with HubSpot CRM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.